Teide National Park is the main attraction of the Canary Islands, with the highest mountain of Spain and the highest volcano in the Atlantic Ocean Islands, Teide. It's amazing how the landscapes are changing as you go up. From the green hills with pines and absolutely deserted fields with red rocks, sand, and black formations that once were the hot lava. As you drive along the park, you can stop by at the multiple viewpoints that are all over the places and enjoy the extraterrestrial view. But make sure you have a full gas tank and some water, because there aren't any shops or gas stations once you reach the top. The last time the eruption happened was in 1908, but it wasn't the biggest one in the history. The longest eruption on Tenerife was in summer 1798, when it lasted a total of 3 months and was devastating for many villages on the island. You can still see the frozen black lava all over the place. The most visited viewpoint is Mirador de la Ruleta and its Roques de Garcia. It's an impressive and immense formation on the foothill of Teide and Pico Viejo, where you can feel the scale of this magical place. Also, you can start a hiking trail here if you're into exploring the places on foot. I'm right now at Teide National Park. This is the volcano that is sleeping for more than 2,000 years. The last time it was erupted was in June 1798, and right now it's a national park. It's actually very, very similar to the landscapes of Arizona, Nevada, and Utah in the United States, but still it's very unique, and I would definitely recommend to come here if you're in Tenerife, because it's really beautiful and it's huge. So please make sure that you'll have at least half a day, or better to say the whole day, for the national park, because you will spend a lot of time at the viewpoints, taking pictures and just like strolling around and just like looking at this unique landscapes, and it's absolutely worth it. This viewpoint where I am right now, it's La Ruleta viewpoint, and it has different entrances and different viewpoints. Actually, you can go up, you can go down. There are a lot of different paths over here, and so you can stroll around and spend some time over here. The landscapes are absolutely crazy. It's like you are on the other planet, and it's mesmerizing. And on the one side, you can see the volcano, and it's like black with all the like red, oh my Jesus, red colors. On the other side, you have these huge stones, and just right behind me, there's this huge mountain that has the green, I don't know what's that, green plants or something like that. And all these colors are absolutely mesmerizing because it's a little bit of everything over here. A little bit of black, green, red. It's very impressive. So make sure that you'll spend at least several hours in this national park. If you would like to see other views of the island on your way back, you can drive through Corona Forestal National Forest. It is crazy how the landscape is changing from the empty rocky formations to the green and forest views. Stop by the viewpoint Corona Forestal to look at both sides of the island and enjoy this beautiful view.